guys, it's Ray, and today I am going to do an unboxing of a mini haul of glitter. I think I ordered 11-ish, maybe 10 from this company, so I thought I'd open it with you all. I ordered this from Glitterbee's company. It's my first order with her. Her name is Melissa, and she runs a small business, and she is also an excellent cup maker. If you're on TikTok, I will post her TikTok in the description. I actually found her first on Facebook, and then she popped up on my TikTok feed, so. And she's got a cute little Happy Meal sticker on here, and this one says, "Hey USPS worker, thank you for all you do." I'm gonna have to cut the sticker, unfortunately. But hopefully the mail carriers appreciate that little touch and notice it. So, let's see what we've got. Nicely wrapped. She's got a thank you for helping my business grow with her shipping labels. So, I believe these are all jars. I don't think I ordered any that weren't. I'm just going to move the box out of the way and dive in. Cute branding on the top. This one is called Bluebell. It's beautiful. It's a nice metallic. I think I ordered mostly fines. This one is called PLUMERIA. Another metallic. And I think these are 2-ounce jars. I'm not sure. This one's called BLAINE. It's a nice iridescent yellow. It's very pretty. I tried to pay attention to what I was ordering to get, like, ones I knew I needed or was running low on. This one's called JERZY. She has a couple of TikToks where she uses this one, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So, I'm looking forward to using that one. This one is called MIDDLEMIST. It's another metallic. I couldn't tell in the picture if this was really a red or a pink, and I'm going to be honest, I still can't tell in this lighting if it's a deep dark pink or a red. But I think it's more to a red. This one is called Cherry Blossom. It's another iridescent. And this one is Jade, a pretty green. This one's a metallic. This one's called DOOLIN. It's kind of a coppery color, I guess. It's really pretty, though. Almost like a maroony copper. Ooh, this one is a chunky mix. This one is called BISMAN. Hopefully you can see the color in that. It's like a purpley shift iridescent. And these are well packaged. This traveled great. The box is really clean. There's like 4 random pieces of glitter in the bottom, which is not bad for glitter delivery. This one is Snowflake, an iridescent white. I like to buy an iridescent white of some sort from most of the companies I order from, just because you end up going through a lot of white, and I just like to try different ones. And last but not least is Holly, which is a metallic red. I am completely out of red in any kind of quantity, so I've been ordering quite a few reds. But this is the Holly next to the Middle Mist. So that's it. That's what I got from Glitter Bees. These are great size, great packaging. The price on them was excellent. She did free shipping at, I think, $50. So keep that in mind. This one, the Chunky Mix, was the most expensive one I ordered. And I will go back and double check the sizes on these and put that in the comments. But again, I'm pretty sure these were a 2-ounce jar. So, some of them were $4.80 and some of them were $5.05 a jar. So, not bad in the long run. So, I will be using these going forward in projects, and I will, of course, post what glitters I'm using when I use them. So, this is my new glitter haul for today. I have more coming from another company, and I have lots of other Amazon packages coming, so I will be doing several unboxings over the next week or so. So, thank you. Bye.